I learned of your website through a comic book, just looking for resources. And it's a comic book that illustrates a woman whose sister received a cancer diagnosis. That person received genetic testing. And it is a wonderful illustration of how, real life, how we're affected by this, but by just having a little bit of knowledge and curiosity and then connecting with resources like Connect My Variant, this could be a watershed moment in your family's history to prevent disease going forward.
Absolutely. And so Mark Hicks and Caitlin Shirts put together that. Mark Hicks did the illustration, and Caitlin Shirts put together the text for that. And it's a great illustration of what can happen. And it illustrates something that I think when people realize, it helps them think more about hereditary disease as something that's a community thing, not just an individual thing. And that's when two people have the exact same mutation, there's a 90% chance they have a common ancestor. And when we introduce people to each other with their permission, that opens doors. They're like, oh, this is my second, third, fourth cousin. I'm not sure how. That forms that connection. It's a unique connection. And it also, we help them with their genealogy. We help them find out how they're related to each other. And it doesn't happen very often, but occasionally they can actually find out who that common ancestor is. When that happens, they know which parents, which great-grandparents, which great-great-grandparents sometimes have that mutation. They know which cousins and which second cousins are at risk and which cousins they don't have to talk to about it. So it makes it a lot easier because there's a bunch of people you don't have to worry about. And then there's some people who you know that are actually at higher risk than you thought they were before. And so you know who to talk to. You have somebody else who can help you talk with them. And it can be really powerful